Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the fastest and easiest way to make a velocity edit on CapCut. So some of you will probably knew this feature, but there is an auto velocity feature where you can get a velocity edit in an instant on CapCut. So first, just add the clips that you want to have that velocity edit, and then click on the clip, then go to style. So here just swipe through the options until you find the auto velocity options. Okay, this one's right here. So just click on the auto velocity and just wait until CapCut generate the auto velocity for your clips. So after the style auto velocity style has been applied, your video will look like this. So you don't need to adjust the speed of your clip one by one to have that velocity. You can just use this one click. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like, and comment if you have any questions. Bye.